Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is diatheke. Dear friends, Erene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco. Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is diatheke. In English, the translation is covenant. It's a solemn bond between God and His people. In Luke chapter 22, verse 20, Jesus takes the cup at the Last Supper and says, "This cup is the new covenant in my blood." And with these words, He fulfills God's promise and then establishes a new relationship with us, sealed not with stone tablets, but with His very life poured out on the cross. The letter to the Hebrews also reminds us, Christ is the mediator of a new covenant. And this means that through Him, we now have direct access to God's mercy and grace. You know, this word is related to testament. Diba? New Testament is the new covenant. See, as in the Old Testament and New Testament, tipan, diba? Kasunduan. Because both describe God's covenantal dealings with His people. Anong ibig sabihin nito para sa ating mga Kristiyano? Ito'y tawag para tumugon sa Kanya. If Christ sealed this covenant with His blood, how do we respond to it? Ano ba yung tugon natin? Yung katapatan natin sa Kanya sa araw-araw. Fidelity to God in daily life. This is the challenge. How do we live this covenant today in discipleship? By honoring our baptismal promises, by remaining faithful to prayer, by loving as Christ loved us. And dear friends, Christ seals the new covenant with His own blood and invites us to live as His covenant people. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mas salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.